Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to remove pin contacts on your message app from your iPhone. So if you have pinned some contacts here at the top on your message app and you want to remove it, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your message app. Next, you want to go ahead and find the contact you want to unpin. So for example, this one here, go ahead and long press on it. Now you can go ahead and get this option. Now you'll get this options. Go ahead and choose unpin, and that will basically remove it from the pin. You can do this for all the contacts and remove all the pinned contacts from your message app. So there you go, guys. That is how to unpin contacts on your message app on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.